Hi guys, we have a question that has to do with the equations of motion. So let's provide an answer to it. A car uniformly accelerates from rest at 8 meters per second squared. In how much time will the car travel a distance of 2.5 kilometers? Now, to solve this, we are being told that the car starts from rest. So our initial velocity u will be equal to 0 meter per second and accelerate at 8 meters per second square. So our acceleration A is 8 meters per second square. In how much time will the car travel? So what we are trying to know now is the time it will take the car to travel a distance of 2.5 kilometers. Time is unknown, but we are giving our distance s to be 2.5 kilometers. So these are the parameters given to us to use in solving this question. But we need to change this 2.5 kilometers to meter. So we multiply by 1,000, which is kilo. So it cancels the kilo. And 2.5 times 1,000 will give you 2,500 meters. Okay, so having done this, the next thing now is to now look which equation of motions match this parameter: initial velocity, acceleration time, and second. And we know that this equation that says S is equal to ut plus half at squared will do justice to this question. So let's go ahead and substitute. Our S is what? 2,500. 2,500 is equal to, we know that u is 0. So 0 multiply anything gives you 0 plus, now we have half at, half, we write our half, times, what is our a? Our a is 8 times t squared. Now, working this further, we are left with 2,500 is equal to 0 is just 0. So plus half times 8 is what? 4. 4t squared. So I claim this plus. Now we want t to be alone. We have to divide both sides by 4. 4 cancels 4. So here we have 2 here, 2. 2 into 2,500 is 1,250. 2 here, 1. 2 into 1,250 is 625. So therefore, t squared is equal to 625. We're looking for t. Remember, that is the time. Hence, t will be the square root of 625. And what's the square root of 625, guys? T will be equal to 25 seconds. So it actually takes this car 25 seconds to reach 2.5 kilometers when it is accelerating at 8 meters per second square. Bye.